So we've been using crypto to empower young adults in Africa. How have we done that? Here at Learn Crypto, we're an e-learning crypto education platform, and we've been running seminars across multiple African universities to teach students how to set up a wallet, send and receive cryptocurrency, and therefore participate in the global marketplace. Learn Crypto believes that education is an enabler for harnessing the potential of digital finance to bridge economic divides. And the seminar at the University of Calabar was a testament to this vision. It emphasized how cryptocurrency can serve as a gateway for students to access global payment opportunities, allowing them to work with international clients and projects without the hindrance of traditional banking barriers. For example, if you wanted to get a job to help a company promote their social media platform, make changes to their website, all you would need is an internet connection and the ability to receive cryptocurrency payments. Peer-to-peer payments are instant and can be carried out by anybody anywhere in the world without the interference of a third party. At Learn Crypto, we are committed to Africa's crypto literacy, and plans are underway for future seminars, workshops, and online courses. The goal? To empower Africa's youth, encourage innovation, and drive economic growth through crypto education.